What is going on? I am Jack, and this is Log Cabin Firewood. We are back over at my little wood yard, and I got a couple logs laid out. We're slowly eating through this big old pile of logs. It's gonna go a lot faster than I thought, but that's okay, because we got this stuff over here to go through too. I still got a lot of cutting sessions before I've run out of wood. But we are already looking at getting more wood. The tree guys really aren't cutting as much as they were. As it gets colder, you know, at least around here, the tree guys kind of slow down, and then they kind of switch to doing firewood themselves, which is okay. Everybody's got to make a little money. But I probably need, I don't know, 3 or 4 tractor buckets to fill this thing up, maybe 5 to get this corner. I went through and stacked the front face all the way up. And that is 10 foot wide and about 4 foot tall, roughly. So I don't know what that is. What's that? A face cord and a piece, something like that. Maybe that's a Joe cord. Is that a Joe cord, guys? But I got the 500i out here. Got a good sharp chain on it. I didn't bring the 44 today. All I brought was that saw, so hopefully I don't hit the dirt like right away like I always do. Let's get to it. I got to get some wood cut so we can get this bin filled up. there's one tank of fuel through the 500. Still a good bit of wood here to go. A little bit of poison ivy on some of this, but that's okay. We'll split around it. In the wintertime, it really doesn't mess with me. It's still active. The oil will still destroy me if I were to like rub it on my face, so I'm not gonna do that. Some of the pieces I'm getting into now is a little bit of the stuff that the homeowner cut here, and it's not nice branchless wood, but I know it's free. I can't complain. Yeah, no complaints. I haven't had to buy a load yet. Well, I have bought 2 loads, a load of cherry and a load of ash and hickory and oak from Brad. So 2 loads I've paid for. And I have tipped the drivers a couple times that have dumped me some of this other stuff. It's just a kind gesture to do. I mean, what's 20 bucks out of my pocket when I'm gonna make 1,000 off of something? I think it's worth it. You know, take care of those that take care of you. Good bit of wood here. I mean, it ain't nothing impressive. It's wood. It's firewood. It's firewood, guys. But I'm gonna go eat something. It's lunchtime. So we'll come back and see what else we can get into. That's all I got for this video though. Take care of each other. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching.